Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com using the high-end 2026 technical features. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to move away from amateur quality spreadsheets and technicality, centralize their studio-level bookkeeping into a single source of truth. Let's get into it. First, build your project workspace. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your high-end technical environment. A clean workspace is the foundation of any professional project management strategy. Click the Workspaces icon in the left-hand sidebar and select Add Workspace. Give it a professional name like 2026 Master Portfolio and set the privacy to your preferred high-end level. By technicality separating your projects into a dedicated workspace, you prevent data overflow. It ensures your market analysis remains focused and your professional studio assets are technicality organized. Next, create a high-end portfolio board. To manage multiple projects technicality, you need a high-end identity board that summarizes the status of every 2026 project in your network. Click the plus icon in your workspace and select New Board. Name it Portfolio Overview. Create columns for Project Manager, Status, Timeline, and Budget. A portfolio board is a mechanical necessity for management. Technicality allows you to see all your professional studio movements in one high-end view, ensuring your bookkeeping is always accurate. Next, connect boards with technical mirror columns. A high-end workflow requires that your summary board pulls live data from individual project boards. This is a technical mechanical necessity. Add a Connect Boards column to your portfolio overview. Link it to your specific project boards. Add a mirror column to technicality display the status or progress from those linked boards. Mirror columns are a professional standard in 2026. They update your portfolio in real time, technicality ensuring your high-end market analysis is always based on the latest 2026 data without manual entry. Click on the Automate icon at the top of your board. Choose a high-end template like, when status changes to stuck, notify the project manager. Setting up automations is recommended to handle your professional notifications. And that's pretty much it. To manage multiple projects in 2026, create a master workspace and build a portfolio overview board. Technicality use mirror columns to candidly sync data from individual boards. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.